Friends, we often consider the water so simple that whenever we want it, we can drink as much water as we want and as we can. But our such thinking is wrong at all, because the water does not seem like ordinary to us. It helps us to work properly and to remove the toxic substances from our body. From abdomen to skin and from weight gain to weight loss, water plays a very important role for us. Therefore, it is very important for us to know the exact amount of gaining, the right time to drink it, the benefits of water. If we do not know the right way to drink water, then this can cause many problems in our future, such as indigestion, constipation, gas, liver weakness, lethargy, stomach problems, lack of disease resistance, frequent illness, skin allergy, ringworm and itching, pimples and stains on face, problems with headache and dizziness, weight gain or decrease. Problems like hair fall and no sleep at night can only be caused by drinking water in wrong amount and wrongly. So today in this video we will know how, when and how much water should be consumed. Our body has 60 to 70% water, whose work is to run the internal organ of our body. So let us know how much water we should drink and what kind of water we should drink throughout the day. The water depends on the condition of the person, in what kind of environment it is and what kind of physical activity it does. Now it comes to know how to drink water. Some people think that water can be used whenever and whenever they want, but it is absolutely wrong. Because drinking water of the same kind in different ways affects its body in different ways. Therefore, water should always sit and drink slowly. A common person should drink water, ranging from 2 to 3 liters in the day, which is 8 to 12 glasses of an average size. But drinking more water increases our kidney work and increases the chances of sodium becoming high in blood. And such a loss occurs when a person drinks more than 4 to 5 liters of water. And those who exercise, they should drink a little more than normal people. While drinking water, keep it in mouth for 4 to 5 seconds, and roam around, and then swallow it. When standing and drinking water quickly, our kidney does not control it properly. Therefore, always sit down and drink water slowly and at one time, should always drink 1.5 glass of water. So let us know how often to drink water and never drink. When should water be consumed more than it is necessary? When should not drink water? After eating, after drinking the food, immediately after drinking it, the water should never drink. Because doing this gives water to food that is eaten by us very thin, and digestion of food is not done properly in our body. Therefore, water should always be taken after 1 hour after eating. Drinking water in the daytime is good for us, but drinking water at night can harm us because our body is not active at night, due to which the water goes in without using the kidney filter. At the same time, do not drink water with hot things, such as tea, coffee, and milk, because drinking water immediately damages our teeth and gums. Let's know when should you drink water. You should always drink water before rising in the morning, because in the morning the cleaning of our stomach is very important, and no one else can clean our stomach better than water. After eating at night, the water should be consumed in small quantities, and you should eat milk instead, because the proteins present in the milk slowly supply energy to your body overnight, and the enzyme named trypsin, which is present in milk, calms your brain and is useful for good sleeping. By taking this kind of water in the right way, thousands of problems in our body end, because health is wealth.